I want to describe for you guys a way that we can share files. Big files, little files, one file, multiple files, using a gray site and program called FileShare. Here's how you do it. First of all, log into go.gray.tv. Then come over here to Company Apps Everything. Over here, File Transfer, FileShare. Now, I will also include a link. It'll be in the description of this YouTube video and in an email I'll send out, but this is another way that you can find it. So we'll click on this, and it brings us to this page. Now, it may first bring you to a page where it tells you to select your TV station. Obviously, you select WBTV. You enter in your username, your login ID. So for me, it's C. Schmidt, and then your password. This is the password that you use to log onto your computer or your email. So we'll log on, and it brings us to this page. Now, come over here, click on this drop down, go to File Sharing. Now we come over here to Send Files. All right, now on this page, give what you're sending a name. Now come down here and put someone's email address. I'm going to send this to Kevin Marlowe. All right, now look at these boxes that I have checked. These basically tell you when the file has been sent and when it's been downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and leave those checked. That can be helpful if you're sending someone a file and you want to make sure that they got it. You'll get a little email that says, Kevin Marlowe downloaded the file. That way you know that they have downloaded it without any issues. You can set up an expiration date for the download link. I'm just going to go ahead and put 30 days right here. Then we'll come down here and click Next. Okay, now we get to choose our file. As you can see, there's spots here to add 5 files, but you can add even more if you want and send a whole bunch of files. So if you're at a crime scene or something, you could shoot 10 pieces of video. Heck, you could shoot 15 pieces of video, or on and on and on, and upload the individual clips if you wanted to. We're just going to try one thing for now. We'll hit Browse, Files from my computer, and I'm going to send Kevin the voice recorder tutorial I recorded earlier. And we hit Upload. And it's done. And it takes us to this page. And we click Done. And this page shows us everything that I've sent recently using FileShare. And it's as simple as that. You'll get an email, and so will the person you sent the FileShare file to that looks like this. We'll click on it, and it will give you a link to download it. When you click on the link, it takes you to this page. You check the box of the files you want to download, and you click Download. And there's the file downloaded to my hard drive. So that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions.